folks, Aaron here from Bean Sprout. I have a little scout to show you today. These are our little scrapwood soprano ukes that we make from time to time. The back and sides on this are some walnut. I think this was a piece of walnut wall paneling. It was fun to save some scraps from that. And the top is Orford Cedar, nice one-piece wavy Orford Cedar top. This is all walnut up here, and it's got a hemlock neck. So these have, oh, and also a little myrtle binding here. So these have bone nut and saddle, little geared tuners, fluorocarbon strings. It's got a flat fretboard. It's got 3 little dots there for the side markers. And yeah, these are fun little instruments to put together. This one's going out to our email list for the Scouts right now. I can't quite keep up with the demand, so Nicole holds an email list of folks who are interested. So this is number 992. Cheers.